This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The ASCN4 units are basic heat pumps with smart shift technology for better defrost control, but they only have an average warranty. The ASCC7 models are a good option in the premium category as they have all the normal features, plus they have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling systems to maximize efficiency. They also have a 2-speed condenser fan for less noise and better efficiency. They are also backed by a very good warranty, including a lifetime total unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails. The HvacRepairGuy is an ultimate heat pump with a variable speed compressor and fan motor for quiet, efficient operation. They use a smart algorithm to gather HVAC system performance data to automatically make adjustments to the speed of the compressor and fans to maximize comfort and energy savings. All of the units have a louvered metal exterior to protect the coil and a specially designed top to minimize noise. They also have a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.